Alright, so this is the land of cat lovers. And he's expecting food. Look at the little kitten in the background. You don't mind me recording your little kid? Hello. Don't want to disturb. Oh, look just like your mum. I love that. No lead on this kitten. Imagine a human being with a lead on it. Anyway, walking around Webdeh. Bit of culture here. Look at how steep everything is. That's the church bells ringing, by the way. If you can hear it above the car noises. I'm looking for an amazing, I suppose I haven't really shown this kind of side of Jordan. There's street art everywhere, so there's a bit of street art. Pretty epic, better than what you get in England. You've got that flamingo up there, if you can see it. Let's see if I... No, don't want to get run over. Let's get closer to the church bells, and you can see it's a very hilly place. If I try to zoom in the distance, you see a lot of houses. Let's see what we bump into, eh? Is that a church there? Oh, here's a church. Church bells ringing in Jordan. Somewhere here. I thought I recognised where the church was. I'm still actually looking for my cafe, which was epically beautiful. But hopefully it wasn't that cafe that turned into this sort of westernized version of it. Anyway, this is the back streets of Webdeh. Hopefully the security guy doesn't mind me recording this. So. Okay, a lot of young people here. So, I say young people, I mean I feel like young people who are trying to be artistic or something, they come here. Will I ever find that cafe? Has it been turned into something horrible? After all these years I went to that cafe. Oh, they sell alcohol. It's horrible places. Every now and then you'll find places where they sell alcohol. It's like a drug place or something, just like it should be, because it is a horrible drug. They allow it. I think you need a license to have it. Great. Put some barriers to that horrible stuff. And I'll just walk around a little bit more. Let's see, I don't think I'm gonna find my cafe. Never mind. Nope, not finding it.